Did your Google reviews suddenly disappear? You're not alone. Businesses across the world are waking up to find dozens of reviews missing overnight, without warning. Reviews that took months, even years to collect, just gone. And what makes it worse, Google isn't telling anyone why it's happening. Google is at it again, removing real reviews without warning. For business owners, Google reviews aren't just rating. They are your reputation, ranking, and revenue. Losing them could mean fewer customers, lower trust, and even lost sales. Today, I'm going to show you why this happens and how you can fight back to get them reinstated. If you're frustrated and want your reviews back, watch this video until the end, because I'm walking through step by step how to fix this. So why are reviews disappearing? Is it a glitch, a Google update, a mistake? The truth is Google regularly removes reviews, and most of the time it's not even your fault. Here's what's happening. Business owners are reporting massive review losses, some losing 10, 20, even 50 plus reviews overnight. This isn't the first time. Google has done this before, usually tied to algorithm updates or policy changes. Sometimes Google doesn't even delete the reviews. The review counter is just broken, so your reviews might still be there, but the total count isn't updating properly. Let's say you wake up one morning and see 15 of your hard-earned Google reviews gone. No notification, no explanation. You reach out to Google and they hit you with the usual, reviews are removed if they violate the policies. But these weren't fake reviews, they were from real customers. Sound familiar? If this has happened to you, you're not alone. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to check if your reviews are truly gone and how to fight back and get them reinstated. Let's dive into why Google is actually removing these reviews. So why does Google remove real reviews? Here are the main reasons. 1. Algorithms AI spam filter is aggressive. Google's automated system tries to remove fake reviews, but it often removes legitimate reviews by mistake. 2. Profiles that were suspended and reinstated lose reviews. If your Google business profile was suspended and then reinstated, Google may have wiped your reviews permanently. 3. Reviews might be delayed, not lost. Google systems sometimes hold reviews in a queue before publishing them. Some business reported reviews appearing weeks or even months later. 4. Google algorithm constantly updates and removes low-quality reviews. Reviews that are too short, generic, or look suspicious, like multiple reviewers from the same IP address, can flag and be removed. So how can we check if reviews are really gone? Before we panic, let's make sure your reviews are truly missing. Step 1. Count them manually. Compare the numbers of reviews shown versus the actual visible reviews on your profile. Sometimes the counter is just broken. Step 2. Ask customers if their reviews are still visible to them. Some customers can still see their reviews on their accounts, even if they are not visible publicly. Step 3. Compare your total review count versus visible reviews. If there is a mismatch, your reviews might still be there, just hidden due to Google's systems. Now, if your reviews are truly gone, here's what you need to do to get them back. If your reviews are really missing, follow these steps to request reinstatement. Step 1. Go to Google Support. Step 2. Click on the Contact us and select Missing Reviews. Step 3. Fill out your business profile ID and details. Step 4. Attach screenshots if possible, emails from customers showing they left a review, for example. Step 5. Follow up every 3 to 5 days until you get a response. What to do if Google doesn't respond? If Google doesn't get back to you, don't give up. Here's what to do. Post in Google Help forums with your case ID as this increases visibility. Keep following up via email. Persistence pays off. Try different contact options. Google Chat, phone support, or even Google My Business Twitter support, for example. To reduce the chance of this happening again, here's what you need to do. Encourage a steady flow of new reviews. Google favors business that constantly gets new reviews. Avoid buying fake reviews. Google flags, and remove fake, spammy, or mass purchase reviews. Keep your Google business profile up to date. Ensure your business info, hours, and contact details are accurate. Ask customers to leave unique, detailed reviews. Generic one-word reviews are more likely to be removed. Want an easier way to automate your review generation? Click the link in the description of this video or DM me the word review and I will send you a free video on how to do it. Now that you know how to recover lost reviews, the next step is getting more 5-star reviews to boost your ranking and attract more customers. Watch the next video showing up in the screen. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful strategies to increase your reviews, improve your ranking, and bring in more customers. Don't miss it.